Hello guys, today I will show you how you can update your PC in a simple way. So first of all, go to search button, this one, just type setting, then you open. Open in your right side, and I mean in your left side, you can see there is a home system, Bluetooth device, network, personalization, gaming, access, privacy and security, and just click on window updates. Yes, and you can click on resume updates. Make sure this you turn on in order to receive any recent updates. Previous updates. Yes. As you can see, starting downloading the missing recently updates. It will take some time and it will require you to restart your machine after complete installing those downloading files. So that is how you can update your machine in a simple way. Yes. So make sure you subscribe, you like, and your comments in order to get the recent videos. Yes. Thank you.